You can do SEO yourself. You've built a great website, but unfortunately, no one knows about it. That is because 99% of people use search engines to find what they're looking for on the internet. And since most search engines decide which websites they want to present to searchers, you will have to get the search engines to notice your website yourself. Getting search engines to notice your website, and include it in searches, is called search engine optimization, or SEO for short. Unfortunately, since there are tens of millions of websites online, search engines are very selective about which websites they choose to include, or index, as it is known. It is therefore your responsibility to bring your website up to the standards that search engines are looking for. Website owners are typically paying SEO experts hundreds and even thousands of dollars per month to get their websites indexed by the major search engines, but the good news is, you can do SEO yourself using do-it-yourself SEO tools. Search engines favor websites based on several factors, which include incoming and outgoing links to and from related sources and social media, XML sitemaps, meta tags, and keyword positioning. G20Biz offers instant access to 12 essential SEO tools, plus a wide variety of other resources to start you on your quest to get your website noticed. The journey to get your website noticed could be long, but it doesn't have to be expensive. Visit seo.g20biz.com today.